Good morning, guys. Today I am going to discuss a poem of class 10th, Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. All of you know it very well that Robert Frost is from America. In the previous poem, when we discussed it, at the time I told you about the poet. So today I directly go to the poem. It's a very small poem, content 9 lines. It is very important for you. Mainly, lots of questions come from this poem. So today I will discuss this poem line by line, word by word. So let's start what the poem tells us. So see the poem. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that of destruction ice is also great and would suffice. So let's start the explanation. Some say the world will end in fire. Here at the beginning line, you find that fire. Here, fire means not the fire, fire means desire, wants of the human being. So, the first line, ki some person, it was listened by the poet, that some person told him that the world will end one day by the desire, by the wants of the human beings. Some say in ice. That means another person told him that maybe the earth will end by ice. Here ice means not the ice, but hatred of the people. Actually, here in this poem I want to say one word, that is ki the destruction of the world. Actually not the destruction of the world, actually the destruction of the lives of the human beings. Here the poet told ki how the human being suffers by his own desire, by his own wants, by his hatred. So this was told by other persons that maybe the human lives will end one day for their desires, for their wants. The another person, the another group of person told that it's not the desire but the hate. What the hate will destroy the lives of the human beings, that destroy the nations, destroy the earth. In the third line, from what I have tasted of desire, according to the poet, that another person told that someone told that one day the desire wants will destroy the whole nation. Some persons told that the earth will destroy by the hatred of the human beings. But what is the philosophy, what is the thinking of the poet, what he thinks? He told that what he tasted, according to him, according to the poet, ki the world will destroy one day. That is fire, that is the desire, that is the wants of the human being. So here the poet support those person who are in favor of desire wants, the reason of destruction which they told. So here the poet favor those persons who told that the world will end one day by the desires, by the wants of the human being. So here in the third line the poet told that from what I have tasted, according to the poet, what he thinks, that is the desire, that is maybe the desire will destroy one day. So this, in the fourth line, the poet says, I hold with those who favor fire. Means he support those person who told that one day the desire, the wants will destroy the earth, destroy the whole nations. So here the poet supports those person. Okay, to that particular groups who support the desire of wants for the destruction of the earth. So this is the first stanza. So in the first stanza, here we find that some group of person told that one day the earth will destroy by the desire or wants of the human being. Another group of person told that it's not the desire and it's not the fire. One day the earth will end. One day the earth will destroy by the hatred of the human being. So here the poet deeply thinks over the two opinions, and lastly he supports to those persons who supports the desire for the destruction of the earth. So that's why in the fourth line he told that I support those, those group of people who support that, who told that one day the desire will destroy the earth. So he was support of those people. So this is the first stanza. I think all of you understand it very well. So now we'll go to the second stanza. In the beginning of the second stanza, the poet starts that, but if it had to perish twice, means if the earth will destroy, if the earth will end twice, here perish means die, the destruction, the destroy of the earth. So if the earth will destroy, if the earth will die, means all the living creatures will die for the second time. Twice means second time. For the second time, if all the living creature will die, so I think I know enough of hate. On that time, it may be the hate. The first choice is the desire, that is the fire. And the second choice, if the earth will destroy twice, on that time it may be the head, means it may be the ice. Ice will be the reason to destroy the earth. In the third line it says that to say that for destruction ice is also great and would suffice. So here last line means suffice. Suffice means be sufficient. So in the second stanza, the poet wants to say that if the earth will die, if the earth will destroy for the second time, on the time it will be the ice. The destruction will be cause of ice. That means the hatred that we had the human beings. As every person had the another person, that is that hatred, that particular hatred will one day will destroy the living creature, the living beings, the human beings, the whole nation, the whole world. So that will be the reason, that is the hatred. So in the second stanza the poet claims that he opines that if the earth will die for the twice, for the second time, on the time it will be the hatred. Okay, so now we will discuss the theme of the poem. So here in this poem, the theme is destruction. That is the destruction of our, maybe the destruction of all the living creatures, of all the human beings, of all the nations. So this is the basic theme of the poem. Now we will discuss about the poetic device, what the poet uses in this poem. So first is anaphora. What do you mean by one anaphora? In a poem, if two or more lines starts with the same word, on the time you may say it anaphora. So here the first line starts with some say. Second line also starts with some say. That's why we may say it as anaphora. Iteration. In a sentence, if two or more words starts with the same consonant letter ya sound, on the time we may say it as iteration. So here the first line, some say, both the words starts with the same consonant sound so. That's why we may say it is alteration. So the next one is enjambment. What is enjambment? If two or more lines, if you do not find any punctuation mark on the time, you will say it as enjambment. As you find in the second stanza, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. The fifth line, you will get the full stop. In second line, in third line, and fourth line, there is no punctuation mark. That's why we say it as enjambment. So I hope all of you understand this poem very well. So goodbye. Have a nice day. Thanks.